我们的同学呢，面对的是这样的一个全球竞争的时代，那英文呢，就自然是一个基本能力了。
原治大学是双语教学，在化材系我们有很多科目，目前也都采用双语教学。
其实我一开始就是还蛮期待这个英语授课这个东西，因为以前国高中都没有这样英文授课嘛。然后因为我想原治不是很重视英文嘛，就一开始大家什么那些学测，比如说都还均标，对不对？然后就是发现，其实原治跟其他学校不一样，就是特别的重视英文。所以那时候听到学校颁布那个英语授课的话，其实真的还蛮期待的。
According to the definition of Archimedes principle, it tells us the value keep the same.
And we can resolve the first and the second problem.
那当然，各位同学会担心你的英文能力是否能够让你了解专业知识建议各位同学其实不用太担心，因为只要你把课本上面的关键字先记熟，老师在上课所使用的英文的句型其实都不会太难。
R1A, okay, so because A is a reactant, so we can say the consumption rate of A will be equal K1A times Ca to the first order. Again, to the first order, if we assume they are elementary reaction, okay, so just put here, elementary reaction. Okay, so the consumption rate of the second reaction will be R2A equal K2A plus Ca to the first order.
We have to solve y1 to yn minus 1. And if you have n minus 1 variables, so how many equations do you have? You need to have. That's right. Here is the n minus 1 equations. So we solve it. And after you get y1 to yn minus 1, all the solutions you get, then finish.
P currents, right? We have P current, but how many relations in between? P minus 1, exactly. So we have P minus 1. Any question for this? Alpha? No. So let's we have C P multiplied by P1. So eventually the outcomes of this is Dong. Yeah. So eventually we would have the relationship of minus P plus 2.
You put the metal iron into the interstitial side. Okay? So this side is 2 plus because metal iron is 2 plus. But if you take this out, this side is 2 minus.
So you will plot this figure. First one, substrate concentration divided by time. Okay, and then you know initial substrate, and sometimes you need the half time. Okay, half time of the list equation. So in the show here.
Once a minute, world population may reach about 10 to 11 billions by before 2050. So it's a figure here to increase all very critical point here. So what will be the environmental consequence?
最大进步应该是在听的部分吧，因为就是其实原文书也不用全部照翻，就只要知道一些专有名词就好了。应该是1:1吧，就是50%，就是不仅能增加自己英文能力，然后也可以听得懂这样。
各位要了解，将来的竞争你无法避免的，必须用英文跟你的专业人士沟通。
一开始对英语授课可能抱持着尝试的心态，因为本身自己的英文程度只是在等于一个中等阶段而已。然后我是希望说，透过英语授课可以加强自己的英文学习能力，对，或是口说啊，或是一些阅读能力可以增进。
Before we start, I will explain about how the procedure goes, and to remind you some things about the final exam. So the first thing you should know during your presentation is you should speak loudly, clearly, and slowly to let your classmate know what you actually want to express.
How about you?
My name is Jerry. I'm from Taipei.
Jerry.
I love exercise.
Exercise. Okay.
Jogging and swimming.
Swimming.
And before I enter in YGU, I'm very fat.
You used to be fat.
You used to be fat.
Almost 19 kilograms. And now I'm 78.
Wow. Yeah.
You have a great patience. You have a great wow, it's good. Around 20 kilograms, man. It's really amazing, you know. So you exercise a lot.
Yeah, and maybe twice a week.
Twice a week.
Yeah.
Next time go up to the gym, okay? Okay. Because I'm going to gym 3 times a week. Yeah, 3 times, 2 times. It depends on my schedule. Okay.
Do you know where the gym is?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, okay.
Swim.
Wow. Wow.
It's really close.
Wow. You should go together.
In my opinion, the English teaching class is good, but some, here they didn't offer all the courses in English. Maybe 5 or 6 courses are available in English each semester. So if you can increase that number, it will be better for the international students, because if you want to have international students here, you have to teach in English. So it's a good idea to have English classes.
就是我觉得英语授课还不错，就是因为台湾就是双语大学不多，所以如果从双语大学毕业，那在未来职场上应该就是比较有优势，比较有竞争力。
在这4年的双语教学训练之下，绝对有助于你将来的竞争力，也能够让你的英文听力、听说读写各方面都能够有增进。